Okay, the power inverter comes with 2 red cables and 2 black cables. You need to connect both of them, both of the red cables to the positive end of the battery, and both of the black cables to the negative end of the battery. And then this one is for grounding. You need to ground it outside. For example, you can clip the water pipe or something else. After the connection, here, the switch, you can switch on, and the green light will show on. Now we plug here, for example, and then I'm going to plug with hoover, which is 1900 watt. So now you can switch on the hoover. Well, now you can see that it's working perfectly, and the green light is still on. If you want to switch off, you see, press switch off. That's it.